The first step is to choose the right box. Make sure it's clean, sturdy, and just the right size that's big enough to hold the core, but not so big that the core rattles around inside. Next up, wrap the item. Cover the whole unit in a couple of layers of bubble wrap. Don't forget to give extra attention to any sharp corners or edges, as they can punch through if not protected. Now let's add some cushioning. First, place padding at the bottom of the box. Then, set the wrapped item inside and fill the gaps around it with packing material, enough to keep it snug and secure. Give it a little shake test. Close the flaps and gently shake the box. If anything shifts inside, open it back up and add more padding until it feels firmly in place. Run heavy-duty packing tape along every seam, and for good measure, reinforce the corners too for extra strength. Finally, label it correctly. Stick the shipping label on the top of the box, away from seams and tape so that the barcode can be scanned easily, and you're good to go.